Mabuhay! I am Maria Redimar Dasal, 21-year-old stunner representing Kapisanan ng Lipi ng Pilipina ng Yugin-Lo. I am feeling good, thank you.
Kinakabahan ka ba?
A little bit po.
Okay, my question is, what are the environmental issues did you notice here in Taytay, and how can you help to solve the said issues?
Thank you. As a tourism student who is studying our tourism industry, I noticed the environmental issue regarding our sea, our ocean, the garbages. As I am from Yugin-Lo, we have Malampaya, and I am standing in front of you today to be an advocate of change for Malampaya. We have existing protection for Malampaya, which is the Malampaya Sound Protected Landscape and Seascapes. Yes, I want to be an advocate of change, to be able to promote sustainability, because as a tourism student, I believe that sustainability ensures the stability in our future. Thank you.
Hello, Ms. Dosal. Good afternoon. How are you today?
I'm good.
Yeah, you look gorgeous. Okay. Pasingatan Festival is an annual long-month celebration starting April to May. What does this celebration signify to you as Taytayanos?
As a Taytayano, this Pasingatan Festival is a significant festival in our culture because it showcases different talents and skills of the Taytayanos, and this is a perfect chance for me also and the other candidates to showcase our platforms and advocacies to be able to help economic growth of Taytay. Thank you.
Hi, Ms. Dosal. Nabanggit mo kanina, tourism student. Kasan ka nag-aaral?
I'm from STI College, Manila.
Oh, I see. So here's my question. Since you've mentioned that you are an advocate of the Malampaya Seascape and Landscape Protected Area, how will you participate in promoting the sustainability given that you are an advocate of it? How do you want to be a part of promoting sustainability?
Yes, joining this pageant give me, if I were to win the crown, I will use my title as Bituin ng Taytay to be a representation, to promote the Malampaya, the protection of it. I want to be the voice, and I want to speak out for the protection of Malampaya.
Pwede po mag-follow-up question, Ma'am Cathedral. Okay lang po. So, let's set aside the crown, for example, since as Ms. Lizelle mentioned earlier, we only have one crown, and there's 18 of you girls, gorgeous ladies, that will be vying for it. So, let's set aside the crown. Without you having the crown, how will you participate in promoting sustainability?
Even if I don't have the crown in me, I will remain to promote because I am a tourism student, and this is one of our mission and vision to promote tourism sustainability and to maintain and preserve our natural resources. I will be graduating and I will be participating in the Department of Tourism for maintaining my mission. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Ms. Dosal. My question for you is,
What is the most important lesson you've learned in your life and how would you apply it to your time as Bituin ng Taytay?
There are a lot of lessons I've learned in my entire life, in my age 21. But the most important lesson I've learned from it is dedication. Despite of the trials life may bring, dedication is a big word for a human, for a person. So only a few can have dedication, but I want to remain this character in me. I've learned that despite of the trials, if you are dedicated, if you are committed in what you're doing and what your purpose is, you will be successful.
Thank you. Ready, Mark? Can I call you Ready? What's your name?
Yes, Mariel.
Mariel, can I call you Mariel? So thank you for that answer. So for my part, I would like to ask, since I considered you already, everyone as a winner by joining this pageant, being a role model for the youth, may I know, how do you plan to inspire the next generation of Taytayanos, being the beauty pageant contestant or Mutia for that matter?
Being a contestant today, I want to encourage my fellow youth to prioritize their mental health, because we all know that this issue is a relevant issue nowadays, and mental health awareness is something that we should focus on. And I want to be an inspiration for them to be motivated, and I want to tell them that to come out and speak out for yourselves, because you are the leader of your life and you are the voice of your own. Thank you.
Is there any follow-up question, judges? Alright, thank you so much, candidate number 1, Maria Red Martito Dosal.